Today is day 8 of me keeping up with my New Year resolution, eating healthy meals only for 30 days. Today is going to be a pasta and bean salad, and we are going to be making some croutons, but these are not just any croutons, these are eggplant croutons. I can't wait to show you how I whipped up this easy, delicious pasta salad. I have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. And I'm pouring approximately 2 cups of pasta. This is rotini. I'm going to stir this and allow it to cook according to package instructions. While my whole grain rotini is boiling, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to use this time to prepare some vegetables to add to my salad. And these are grape tomatoes, and I'm just going to cut them into half, and I will enjoy them because they will add a nice sweetness to the salad. Next, I'm going to break some fresh parsley, and I'm going to chop these up really fine, and this is going to give it some nice color, some freshness, and parsley also have a good level of antioxidants. I'm going to also be breaking some cilantro, and if you want to try this salad and you don't have cilantro, you can use some shano belly, and I'm going to chop this up real fine, and this is going to be added to the dressing, so be on the lookout for that. We have our 2 cups of whole grain rotini or spring pasta, a cup and a half of diced cucumbers, half cup of chopped red onions, and in goes my parsley. We're adding 1 tin of kidney beans that was rinsed. I am also going to add 1/4 cup of each red, yellow and green bell peppers, a cup and a half of sliced tomatoes, grape tomatoes, and we're going to toast. If you are still here watching me make this delicious salad, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe, and drop a comment below, and that's a good way to help support me make more content. And I'm going to make a quick dressing. For the dressing, I am using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice as the acid, 1 garlic, the chopped cilantro, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, black pepper, and I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt. Pour the dressing over. And I'm going to continue to toss. After I toast this, I will be making crispy eggplant croutons that are gluten-free. So we're going to peel our eggplant, and this is 1 eggplant that I'm using. If you want to try this recipe, you can use less, but I just prefer to use 1 because it was so delicious and it's a really good healthy snack just to munch on. So I'm going to peel them, and I'm going to cut them into 1.5 by 1.5 dice approximately. I'm going to season them with some onion powder. Onion is very important. Some garlic powder, some salt, some Cajun seasoning, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to coat everything. Rub the seasoning in really well because once you bite into these croutons, the flavor is going to be inside, and they're going to be crispy and nice. I also added some Trini hot sauce to this. Into a Ziploc bag or a bowl, I'm going to add my spice blend, Cajun seasoning, onion, garlic, and some dry parsley. And for the crispiness, I am adding 5 tablespoons of corn flour. If you made pastas over the holiday, you might want to use your corn flour to make these. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I am adding the eggplant nuggets into the bag. If you want to try it and you don't have corn flour, regular flour can work, or chana flour, chickpea flour. That can also work. And give it a nice shaky, 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 shake. And once you open the bag, you should have delicious crouton bites. You could fry these up if you wish, and they're going to be so delicious. But I prefer to go the healthier way, so I am going to be using my air fryer. And I'm going to air fry these for a total of 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm shaking them up while they are in there ever so often. At the end of it, this is how they look. So it's time to enjoy my delicious salad. My body has been feeling amazing. I have been feeling great. I don't have any headaches. I don't have any sickness. I don't have any complaints. If you enjoyed day 8 of my healthy eating journey, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and be sure to drink a lot of water. See you in day 9.